stop playing with him. DaVinci in his bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Guys, so I'm here today with the Dolls Kill unboxing. I've got a lot of stuff from them. This is actually my first time ever ordering from Dolls Kill, so I don't really know what to expect. The shipping was pretty fast, I would say. They had cute stuff. I ordered on their BOGO sale, buy one get one free. All right, cute. This shirt is definitely a mood. So I got this. It's got Japanese detailing. I guess I could try it on for you. I thought it was so cool because it comes with like this thumb detail, so you can have your thumb out. Kind of cute or what? Cute. I got a size medium just so it could actually, you know, fit. I'm gonna try it on and see what it looks like.
I need that, I need that, I need that, I need that. Have me feeling proper, fucking real proper, have me screaming pop.
So these orange pants that I got online, they actually looked a bit yellow. And I got a size small. They are orange pants. They've got like a seam through the middle. Very long. I'm gonna try them on. They look cute. So this is the orange ones. These are size small. They go all the way down. They're very stretchy. I did order some shoes, so stay tuned for my sneakers haul. I'm gonna add them in that. But these pair of pants that I got, they're just vibes, literally. It's these jeans. I got them. It told me to size up. Look at the detailing on these jeans, y'all. Y'all see them? So cute. Comes with like a zipper. The back has a zipper. So the back has a zipper, the front has a zipper, and then they're low-key bell-bottomy. So these are vibes. Could have really done with a size small, but I'm gonna try all this stuff on. Okay, so these are the blue pants. Got them in a size medium. They're just a bit big in this area. Everything else, like down here, these are actually a bit tight, and I need to get them taken in on the side because the small would have been too tight for like my calf area. But yeah, I like the detailing at the bottom. Let me show you guys, This is kind of cool. I like the little frayed ends. I got some shoes. I'm gonna save them for the sneakers haul, so stay tuned for that. I also picked up 2 pairs of sunglasses that I totally forgot about, but they were in the shoe box. Try them on. Hope they're cute. They feel cool. They look like this. Sunglasses are definitely a vibe. Maybe not with this hairdo, but very cute. Definitely vibes. But these next ones, these are like John Cena. You can't see me. Clear, they're green. 100% UV protection. Very interesting. Yeah, this is everything that I got. This was my first time ordering from Dolls Kill, so I didn't really feel compelled to overspending because their prices are pretty expensive. But yeah, the quality seems really good. Stuff's cute, so I'm definitely gonna order again. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up for more clothing hauls. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.